Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 KTM 690 Supermoto. Single cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injection. This is one of the first factory Supermotos out on the market. Super cool, lightweight, torquey, great fuel economy. Many riders I've spoken to have said this was the funnest motorcycle they've ever owned. It's got some really cool Leo Vince SBK exhaust, carbon fiber look, brand new rear tire, just $44.99 right here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing available, extended service contracts. It's got a beautiful heavy-duty upside-down front fork suspension, super nimble, just 32,000 miles on the odometer. We'll fire it up so you can see how she sounds. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.